Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to fix an issue where of course if you have two iPhones and both of them are on the same Apple account, and of course if you get a call, if they're very close together, you'll find that the call will appear, the same call that is, will appear on both devices, meaning that one number calling either device would result in both phones displaying the number is calling. All right, it can also appear in your laptop, but that's less of an issue. All right, so number one, as I said, I'm going to show you to fix that or turn that off. It will happen if you're using the same Apple account or Apple account across both devices. So these two phones, this is one of my older phones and this is a newer phone, but of course I have both still set up. They have separate numbers, however the same Apple account is across both. So I noticed this, that once I have them close together and a call is coming in, for example, to this number originally, it will appear on this one as well. And it can be quite confusing, all right? All right, so first of all, if you want to turn that off, this is how to do it. So you're going to go into settings. All right, so once you're in settings, make sure you're in the main menu as seen here. And you'll have to do this on both devices. You're going to scroll down. You're going to go to apps. Once you're in apps, you're going to search for the phone or the phone. So these are alphabetically. So search for phone. You can always use the search function if you want. All right, so I'm in the phone section here. Notice the phone. So I'm gonna tap on phone, and you're gonna search for the option that says, and I'll try to find it here. There's an option right here that says, and here it is. It says calls on other devices. Tap on it, and right here that it says allow calls on other devices. Turn this off completely, or if you want it on, for example, you only want it not to transfer phone calls, go ahead and turn it off specifically for iPhone, which is my other iPhone, which is this one over here. So I've turned it off for iPhone, meaning if I am near my Mac, it will show up as a call on the Mac. However, it will ignore it for my other phone. So that's the other phone that I have. But as I said, if you want to turn it off, go ahead and turn it off completely just in case. So it's best to just turn it off completely. However, if you want to still have it on Mac, go ahead and turn it off there. So if you want to get rid of it altogether, go ahead and turn off the entire thing, or specifically for that phone, turn off here. Next, you can always go back. So now whenever you get a call here, and this is close by, it will not show up on this device. You're going to do the same thing again. Over here, this is a totally different device. We're going to go to settings. All right, so once you go to settings in here, you're going to go down to your apps. There it is. These are on the same update. And we're going to go for the phone. We're going to go to phone. And we're going to go for calls. Here we go again. It says calls on other devices. So we're going to tap. I'm going to turn it off. I've already turned it off for this one, but it should be on by default. Go ahead and turn it off. But as I said, the best to turn it off from here. So you can turn it off completely or simply turn it off from here. And once you do that, if a call is coming in for, let's say, for this device, it will not appear on this devices or vice versa. They're both independent phones and they'll receive their own call. And that's how to turn it off or stop it on your iPhone. So I hope that was useful. And remember, they have to be close together for it to work normally. And that feature would have to be on. So I hope that helps, and see you in the next one, guys. Bye.